Welcome to Big Review TV. I'm Ashley, and today we're at the Naughty Texan nestled in Westlake Hills. They're famous for their brisket, but also their Naughty Mac Bowl. I can't wait to try some. It's been a lovely day here at the Naughty Texan. I have had some of the best brisket in Texas that I have ever had, and from a Texas girl, that is truly a compliment. In front of me, I have a Naughty brisket bowl, as well as brisket quesadillas and a bomb taco, which is absolutely the bomb. You guys have to get out here. It's super easy to find. It's right off South Texas of Capitol Highway at the Midway Food Park. It's an amazing trailer. You guys have to make it out here. Thanks so much for watching. This is Big Review TV. I'm Ashley, and I'll see you guys next time.